Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
We are alone at home today. Today is Father and Son Day. Man to man.
Am I a man?
You will be. There is a football match on TV. Let's watch it. Go, pass the ball!
Yes!
What a match!
Go! Pass the popcorn, please.
Here you are, son. Eat! Today is a big day. Football night! What is that noise? Is there a monster in the living room?
No, Dad. It is my stomach. I am very hungry. Popcorn is not enough.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
I want cake. Can we make a big chocolate cake?
Cake for dinner? You know your mom. She never lets us eat cake for dinner. She always says, eat vegetables.
Oh, yes, you are right.
But she is not at home tonight. If you can keep a secret,
Yes, I can keep a secret, Dad. It is our man-to-man secret.
okay, we can make a cake. Easy peasy. All right, Timi. Master Chef John is in the kitchen. Let's read the recipe. Mix 3 eggs and 2 cups of sugar.
I can get the eggs, Dad.
Now the eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Now mix them. Now, 3 cups of flour.
What is next?
It says add 1 spoon of salt. 1 spoon? Okay. It says 1 spoon. But there are 3 different spoons here. Teaspoon, dessert spoon, tablespoon. Which one?
Maybe the big one, Dad?
Good thinking! Big cake, big men, big spoon. So, tablespoon.
Dad, don't forget to add the cocoa.
Easy peasy. Cocoa powder is in the cupboard. Now mix it. It's a piece of cake.
Wow, it looks very dark, Dad.
Exactly. It is dark chocolate, my boy. Real men eat dark chocolate. It is healthy.
Awesome! I love chocolate.
Me too. Now, let's put this beautiful cake into the oven and go back to our match. Come on, pass the ball to the right. Only 2 minutes left.
Run! Shoot the ball!
Yes, he's going to shoot. And goal! What a fantastic goal! Yes, goal! Goal! Yes! We won! We are the champions!
Dad, do you smell something?
Yes, my boy. That is the smell of victory. That is the smell of a great match.
No, Dad, it smells weird.
It's probably the popcorn.
No, I think something is burning.
Oh no, we forgot the cake.
The chocolate cake.
Quick, run to the kitchen.
Oh, Dad, it looks very black. Is it burnt?
Burnt? Just a little bit, maybe. This is dark chocolate, remember? Chocolate cakes look black.
Oh, chocolate. Are you sure, Dad? It looks a bit hard.
Trust the chef, son. Inside, it is soft and delicious. Let's cut a piece. Here is your piece, and here is mine. Let's eat our secret dinner.
Oh, oh, yuck! Water! Dad, water!
It is very strong.
It is terrible, Dad. My tongue is crying. It's too hot, too salty, and sweet at the same time. Dad, what did you put in this cake?
Oh no, this is not cocoa powder. This is black pepper.
Black pepper?
Yes, and lots of salt. This cake is a disaster. All right, Master Chef John is retiring for tonight. It is time for Plan B.
Pizza time?
Yes, pizza time! I am calling Star Pizza right now. Hello! Thank you for calling Star Pizza. How can I help you? Hello. I want to order a pizza, please. Of course, sir. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large? Timi, what size?
Large, Daddy. I am starving.
2 large pizzas, please. Great. What toppings do you want on your pizzas? For the first one, a pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. But please, no mushrooms. Okay, 1 large pepperoni, extra cheese, no mushrooms. And the second one? A tuna fish pizza with extra corn and less onion, please. Perfect. Would you like some black pepper with that? No, no way. What is your address, sir? It is 9 Long Street. Thank you. That is $25 in total. Cash or card? Card, please. How long does it take? It takes about 30 minutes, sir. Wonderful. Thank you. Goodbye. I never want to see black pepper again.
Ooh, me neither.
30 minutes, son. We survived. Best dinner ever!